Hi guys, Grace from Joyska Auto Garage and Spares, and on today's episode of showing you some of the things that we have in stock, I will be showing you these Peugeot 208 old model headlights, currently going for a discounted price of 35,000 shillings each. And guys, all our parts are directly imported from Japan, so legitimacy is guaranteed for sure. So location is still along Eastern Bypass near Kamakis area and along the Northern Bypass at a place called Maroroi. Our official line is still 0788445566 and my personal line is 0740180391.